In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a survey on Mailchimp, a full tutorial for 2025. Let's dive right into the process of making your email campaigns interactive and insightful with surveys. Firstly, it's important to know that Mailchimp offers a built-in survey tool. This feature allows you to craft appealing surveys and directly embed them into your email campaigns. It's a convenient and powerful way to engage with your audience and gather valuable insights. To get started, the first thing you need to do is head over to the Mailchimp dashboard. Simply log into your account with your credentials and you'll find yourself on the main interface. From there, navigate to the Create button. It should be prominently displayed on your dashboard. Go ahead and click on it and then select the survey option from the drop-down menu. Now comes the fun part of designing your survey. Mailchimp allows you to add a variety of question formats such as multiple choice, open-ended, and more. Tailor your questions to suit your audience's preferences and gather the specific insights you wish to obtain. This stage is crucial, so take your time crafting thoughtful and engaging questions. After designing your survey, it's time to customize the overall look of your survey page. Mailchimp provides options to adjust the branding, colors, and layout to ensure it aligns with your company's unique style and message. This personalization can make a big difference in how your recipients perceive your survey. With your survey fully designed and customized, the next step is to share it. Click share and copy the survey link. You'll need this link handy to embed your survey into your email campaign. Next, navigate to the campaign section by clicking on Campaign All Campaigns. You'll see a list of your current campaigns. Choose the email campaign where you'd like to embed your new survey. Click Edit next to the campaign's name to open the email editor. Within the email editor, select Edit Design. Here's where you'll be inserting your survey block. Simply drag and drop a survey block anywhere in your email template design. It's designed to be user-friendly, so arranging your elements should be a breeze. To link your survey, look for the drop-down box on the left that says Link to Survey. Choose the survey form you previously created. This step ensures that your survey link is properly embedded and ready for your audience. Finally, take a moment to review the design one last time. Make sure everything looks perfect and that your survey is prominently featured. Once you're satisfied, it's time to send your email to your audience. And there you have it, you've successfully embedded a survey into your Mailchimp email campaign, ready to collect valuable feedback and data from your audience. Thanks for tuning in today and happy surveying.